Well, good afternoon. My name is Edward Hibbler here with your Campus Connect forecast. And right behind me, we notice that we have those fall-like temperatures, especially around the mid portions of Mississippi and Alabama. But if we move on over to the east, we notice that we have a lower temperatures to the northeast in Charlotte, North Carolina, and also in Myrtle Beach, 75 degrees and 68 over in Charlotte, 77 in Savannah. And we're going to notice right here as well in Houston, Texas, we have 75 degrees. Let's go ahead and see exactly what's causing that to happen. Now, right now, current conditions are just showing us from satellite radar how we have this system of clouds that are moving up, and that is caused by a low pressure system that's out here in the Gulf, and that is also pushing on up to the north on the Atlantic coast, as well as we have this system right here that's moving inland on the coast of Houston and affecting those with some rainfall and some heavy rainfalls, if you can tell right here in the coast and also onto land. Now let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit to see exactly what is happening right now. We have this system that, as I said, that was moving in and building up those clouds. Let's go ahead and take a look at our sky cam over Galveston to see exactly how much clouds are being moved over into the area. Notice this heavy blanket of clouds over the area as well, and we're seeing some rainfall which they have been experiencing for some time now. 75 degrees with those rainy conditions as well. Humidity 84%, and that is all because of that moisture that is coming over into the area. Now, as we continue on, we're going to stay on the beach front of everything, and we're going to cruise on down I-10. As we move on down, we're going to notice that we are going to go to Tampa Bay, Florida. That's right, Tampa Bay, it looks better, but we aren't seeing those rainy conditions just yet. They will be arriving fairly soon, but those temperatures right now, 84 degrees, mostly cloudy skies with those humidity at 67%. Notice that we had a drop in those that humidity amount as well. And as we cruise on down I-10, we're going to continue down 75. We're going to cut off I-10 and go down 75, and we're going to arrive right here in the Miami, West Palm Beach area, and we're going to take a look at our sky cam for Lake Boca. That's right, Lake Boca Pew, right over here in Boca Raton, Florida. 84 degrees, mostly cloudy skies, and those water temperatures 84 degrees. That's matching the inland temperatures, the on-land temperatures rather, and the humidity relatively low for its area as well. Now, as we move on, we're going to continue on up 95 as we move on to the Atlantic side of the coast. We're going to be in Savannah, Georgia, right here to the south of me as well. And we're going to take a look at the Krabby Pelican beach view. That's right, Krabby Pelican beach view is just showing us that we have that the deck of clouds that are sitting over the area. 77 degrees with that humidity. Notice that it is dropping off, but those water temperatures are still faring well, staying the same at 84 degrees. And then we're going to continue on up 95 as we move to South Carolina, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. And also, we're going to just take a look at our North Carolina view, and right off the coast of Norfolk, we have those clouds that are moving over. So we're going to take a look right here in this area of the Outer Banks and just see how those clouds are affecting the area. Notice that we have those winds that are helping this windsock and our flag stay amassed right here, and we have a couple of people who are out on the piers just watching, but those clouds will continue building in as those storms and that rainfall will continue in as well. 71 degrees is our temperature rather. The humidity 91%, so it is quite muggy outside, and I wouldn't advise you to go out there right before those temperatures continue on. Right before that shower continues to move on in. Notice right here, our predictor is just going to show us that we're going to stay dry for most of the afternoon, and then we're going to have those cloudy conditions continue to move inland, and then we're going to have those rainfalls mainly happen down here in Orlando, Florida, and that's going to happen continuously overnight. And then as we move into Saturday morning, those clouds are going to continue to build, but we're still going to stay relatively dry. Notice right here south of I-10, we're still going to have those chances of rainfall, but heavier cloud cover is going to move inland, and those clouds are those systems are going to kind of dissipate in the Florida region. Now, as we move on into tomorrow, those clouds, that cloud cover is going to help keep those temperatures fall-like, especially over in the Mississippi area. Jackson is going to be 88, and over to our east and moving northward, notice that we're dropping off in temperature as well as we continue on into tomorrow evening. Now, for our regional review fall-like temperatures, and that's all because of those clouds and those showers that are going to help out as well to keep those temperatures down. Coastal rainfall, and then we're going to have that dry inland. So if you have plans to go to the beach for the weekend, I would consider doing something else that would consider keeping you more dry.